MSS stock analysis and MSS stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. As I'm looking at Maison Solutions stock, we're seeing a good 163, 127% up for the day. As I'm looking at it, bro, I'm honestly just very intrigued about the whole situationship that we're here with MSS stock, because I'm aware this is a great bullish momentum. 130% up is just not something you see every day. But ultimately, when you look at it from a broader picture, it doesn't look that bosh. You know, it doesn't look that bosh. Purely because the weekly candles is still not going to be close to closing. So really depends how we close this on Friday, or whether we are going to stay above 150 or close inside. But yeah, if I see it like give me a double break, then and only then that's something that I'll take lower. Everything else is just going to be noise, so I'm just going to mark out kind of the lows here. A little normal. Like this, mark out the lows. And guess what? I'm not going to short unless there is a decent double break. So I'm very open to that idea. Not financial advice. And if you want to learn the strategy, click the first link in the description. It's a free course.